enough song too. You see me more hits for the new year. Look out for it in the near future.
Well, I just bring theatrics and provocativeness. This is dancehall, where you're supposed to shake things up and make people act and react. And I think that's exactly what I'm doing. Promote some kind of vapid, easily digestible material. No man, there's more to people than meets the eye. Some just bring something different and a twist.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
You don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, you know what things said. People, Alkaline about to drop a bomb, you know. But look here now. Even that boss say no emotions. We dark out. You understand? If you look on the cover, people, the man two finger them. Seeing a pine pan him brain. Means him nah meds nobody. We nah meds when nobody I say. You understand? No matter how them call up my name, me do this, me do that, me nah meds on a virgin. You understand? We dark out. Cause look at you can't remember your boss say, you know. Seeing? You can't dark. Right now you can't see man face. Man dark out. You understand? Yeah, see the bag of red line in the background? Yeah, man. That means a base cat a one bag of chatting around the back. Nah, meds you. You understand? So look at now people. Look out for that one, you know. Yeah, man. Look out for that one, cause it a mash up the place right now and it not even drop yet. Me I see cover there all bout. You understand? Cause look here. Dancehall Keyman, you know. From last year, Alkaline drop Keyman, you know, bro. You understand? Round after summer, so. You see it, so. You know, so when this a drop, a long time people them want tune. You understand? And you don't know when Alkaline drop theme song, them, you know, everybody a review, everybody a talk. So you see that one you know? That one you go, yo, may I tell you? Yo, this is dancehall. Yeah, man. You want a easy digestive material, you know. Yeah, man, you know, say, when that a thing different. Yeah, man, you know the thing, say, so people, make sure it's on the notification forward down, you know. Yeah, man, make sure, man, cause look here. I know nothing normal for 2026. May I tell you. Alkaline ease them up. You see it. You don't know. Him show them a forward up and thing. You tune into that too. Yeah. You don't know it's summer well loud dream weekend. You don't know Barclays March 21st. You don't know that go. And then up to the line. Yeah, man. The 28th of March. So look at now. No emotions. Yeah, man. That's how we deal with it. We militant with it too. You understand? We not meds people. We not listen to what people I say. Is it? We just deal with it when you forget. Deal with it. Yeah, man. But I'm going to tell the people, you see, Alkaline is a youth, you know. Him not really follow the crowd. You understand? Him just do things off a theme pace. That's why the youth music so impactful. Cause look here. Him not just release music for say, yo, man, release. Yeah, man. Those release quality music. Yeah. That him deal with. So, everybody may see. I wait. Right. Yo, right now, this a album, everybody I wait on this album, you know. Me I tell you, you know. A lot of people are wait on this album, yeah. Me I tell you, you know, people, a lot of people are wait on the album. Yeah, man, everybody want to see what Alkaline did, you know, but look at now. No emotions. You see it. Really want to know how this a song go sound, you know, cause yo, looking upon this your cover art, you know, yo, I don't want normal cover art, this, you know. Yeah, I don't want normal cover art. Remember when the man job Keyman mash up the place, man? Keyman, tougher than Leland, you understand? So, that one you not go normal, no emotion, rate the cover art, it tough. And it show you a lot of message how the song I go, you see me express. You don't know. Man, show you say, yo, in my brain, when I meds you. No matter where you talk around the back or behind him. Yeah. You see it. You know, say, yo, I'm not meds you. Nah, meds when nobody I say in the media, call up name and all of them things. You can't draw out like shoes lace. You see it. So, people, I don't know, say the vendetta people might wait for the album, you know. Yeah, man, cause Alka, it's been a while Alkaline drop an album, so it's something different. You know, I don't know when it comes to Alkaline album already. I always bring out some masterpiece. You see it? Yeah, man, cause Alka, him know the music. You understand? He might drop some song, seeing, but the way the quality song. So people might say, yo, I not like this, or them say, yo, I know the right time, but look at now. You see down the line, and that same song there come shake up your place. Yeah, man. You see me? When the man say drop is you at first, and it dead and dead, when you see down the line, it start pick up, mash up your place. So that's alkaline music, longevity. Yeah, man. Impact in a dancehall. I tell you that. Yeah, man. All the song we drop the last 10 years, you can sing it today. You remember it. Still happy in a party. You see it. So the youth a do it. I tell you, alkaline. Yeah, man. The youth a do it, man. Artists a do it, and you don't know. I'm a leader. You see me, leader for the next generation. Cause I do it big. You see it. Alkaline a do it big right now. Yeah, man. Cause the youth, you know, when you put out music, a quality him deal with. You see me? Him not deal with knockoff. Yeah, man. So Alkaline a real do the hot song business. Yeah, man. We deal with global song hits, global hits we deal. We not deal with hot song where you talk about today and then next week you don't remember about it. Longevity. You understand? That's so alkaline music stay. Okay, don't know him have a huge fan base where push the music same way. You see, can look here. Yo, you know what worst thing, people? I show you that youth are powerful when name Alkaline. You know, say, him my only artist when me see when him drop a cover art of a song. I see people run with it. To be honest, people, when me never see them do this with a next artist yet. Like, just drop the cover, and it's like people just run with it and say, "Yo, Alkaline forward with our next song." You know, them even start talk about the music before the song drop. Like the people them up the cover art, everybody. Yo, me no know that brother do it. Me I tell you, me no know how Alka do it, dog. For sure, you say, yo, the youth just push out music. That me rate. Him just deal with music. I'm an artist. Nothing else did about Alkaline. You understand? I just music you know about Alkaline. You see it? And I just saw it for work. You see it? The youth stay focused. Focus in their business. And look on him to the big brand. New rules. You understand? The youth are do it big out there. You see me have a huge fan base. If a youth never focus like this, trust me, wouldn't not talk about him today. But the youth keep him composure and know say, look here, I have focus on a bigger picture if you get it out there now. Cause at the end of the day, no matter where you do, people are just hate you for no reason. You understand? Yeah. And hate you because them can't control you. So look here now. You see when the boss drop all this song you now, yeah man, one bag of problem, I tell you. I be talking in a dancehall. I tell you that. Be talking because look here now. Everybody know Alkaline just for music. Alkaline a real do the bag of controversy thing. You understand? You better just focus on music. That we are deal with. And as me say, the cover shot. You understand? The cover shot and the cover show a message. Say, look here, man, I meds you. No emotions. You understand? You can't draw me out. We say everything we are going to media with my name, but we still a meditate. We still a focus on the purpose. You understand? We still a go out there for greatness. A focus on success. That's what we are dealing with. You understand? Because today them say yeah, and tomorrow them say nay. So look here now. Focus. You see it? Yeah, man. No emotions, man. That's how we deal with it. Because remember, you know, we are man, you know. Yeah, man. We have to leave them things to the woman. You see it? So, no emotions. So, no matter where, nobody wants to say, we are do it same way. Yeah, man. But you don't know. You have to big up the team. You have to big up the Vendetta team. You see me? Yeah, man. Whole Vendetta team. Whole Alkaline brand. New era. You don't know. New rules, same speed. You know a thing set. You know a shapes. You see me? But people, look out for that one, because it's not going to normal, you know. Yeah, man, it's not going to normal, man. So look out for that one, because I don't know I don't know Alkaline thing different already. You see me? Whatever I'm a drop, you always have to talk about it. You always have to listen to it and hear what I say. Because look, you know, to see brother and me there, you know. And him tell you, him done say it in a song already. So everybody are tuning in to listen to the song and see what I go on. Because look, you know, Alkaline, when it comes to music, powerful. A one cover go for him next song, everybody a post it up. Alkaline off drop a song. It show you say the youth set a thing in a dance hall where say, yo, our music we are deal with. You understand? No emotions. Yeah. And I just saw it go, we are do it now. You see it? Young guns. You see me? And I just alka that. I remember you know. So when you see a man, just know say him in a different atmosphere, man hold some mates. You see it? Yeah man, cause look here. A man with idle, you go see him everywhere. You see him in the media and everything. But somebody we you know see for how long, man I pray a different direction. Different thing in the future. You understand? So him deal with it. Yeah man. So I just one of them thing the people. You see it, and I just Alkaline of them thing. You see me? But when I don't know vendetta people, look out for that one, okay, now go normal. You see me? No emotions. You see it? Yeah man. But people, when I don't know, you know, one media facts, you know. Yeah man. Bless up everybody. I don't know anything said. That is it.